Arguments and accusations in court today as Vanderbilt rape suspect Brandon Vandenburg has a hearing. Tonight, attorneys are pointing fingers, and as Fox 17's John Dunn looks in for more answers from the former football player.
It was inside Brandon Vandenburg's dorm room where police say the alleged rape occurred, involving Vandenburg and 3 other former Vanderbilt football players.
You have any comment, Mr. Vandenburg?
No comment.
While Vandenburg didn't have much to say in the hallway, inside the courtroom,
we vigorously dispute the factual assertions made by Mr. Thurman in his affidavit.
Attorneys were argumentative. Prosecutor Tom Thurman has filed a motion accusing Vandenburg's California attorney Albert Perez of destroying evidence, which may include photos or a cell phone video.
That's not a motion that we file lightly. This is the first one I've ever filed in 37 years as a prosecutor.
We now know 2 other suspects accused of tampering with evidence, Miles Finley and Joseph Quinzio, told prosecutors about Perez's alleged involvement. The DA wants Perez thrown off the case, and while the judge considers that motion, Perez says the charges are not true.
Why those 2 young boys would say something like that, I don't know. I really don't know. They're criminals, and why they said things like that to get out of an indictment.
Vandenburg has also hired 2 new local attorneys, John Herbison and Fletcher Long. Both have reviewed the cell phone video and photos from the night of the alleged rape.
I believe that Mr. Vandenburg is absolutely innocent, and I believe that the tapes and their contents have been from exaggerated to completely oversold.
You don't want to share any thoughts with us?
Brandon Vandenburg is letting his attorneys speak for him.
There will be plenty more to argue in the courtroom, motions going back and forth between attorneys. The judge will ultimately decide who's telling the truth. John Dunn, Fox 17 News.
Well, District Attorney Tom Thurman is also accusing another one of Vandenburg's California attorneys, Eugene Osco, of illegally practicing law here in Tennessee. However, the judge did not make any decisions about Osco's involvement in the case.